Which of the following item would not appear in a company's balance sheet? Answer C. Revenue from sales of a company's products. State earn maximum revenue through. Answer C. Commercial tax. Which of the following is the first Indian private company to sign an accord with Government of Myanmar for oil exploitation in two offshore blocks in that country? Answer B. Acer Oil. Revenue of the state governments are raised from the following sources except. Answer C. Agriculture income tax. The currency convertibility concept in its original form originated in. Answer B. Bretton Woods Agreement. For financial system has provided for the transfer of resources from the center to the state. The important means of resource transfer are. Answer D. All the above. Non-tax revenues can be increased by improving the working of the. Answer C. Commercial irrigation projects. Since the inception of the cooperative movement, rural credit has been. Answer D. All of the above. In the state of India, the State Financial Corporation has given assistance mainly to develop. Answer D. Medium and small scale industries. Debentures holders of a company are its. Answer B. Creditors. Which of the following is not viewed as a national debt? Answer C. National Saving Certificate. If an economy is equilibrium at the point where plans to save and to invest are equal, then government expenditure must be. Answer B. Equal to government income. The central cooperative banks are in direct touch with. Answer B. State cooperative banks. Excise duty is a tax levied on the. Answer C. Production of goods. The condition of direct tax in the country's revenue is approximately. Answer D. 86%. The cooperative credit societies have a. Answer B. Three-tier structure. The first wholly Indian bank was set up in. Answer B. 1894. Deficit financing means that the government borrows money from the. Answer A. RBI. Regional rural banks. Answer D. First and second. First, have limited area of operation. Second, have free access to liberal refinance facilities from NABARD.